Hello, my name is Dr. Amin Mannan. I'm presently working as an assistant professor in Lovely Professional University. Right now, I'm going to show you the tour of my lab, which is a molecular microbiology lab. I would like to thank the Division of Research and Development from the Lovely Professional University for establishing this lab, and as well as SERB, the DST SERB, the Scientific Engineering Research Board, for the external grant they have provided to me. So let's take a tour of the lab. So as you can see, this is a just lab overview. Okay, I'm just showing it. This is, as you can see here, this is the lab. These are working benches. Okay, right now there is one student. The rest of the student is also going to come in few days. So he is Nahid. Nahid, you can say the hello.
Hello.
Yep. So he's a final year student. Now let me show you the facilities we have. So this is a fridge, as you can see. This fridge is having the both 4 degrees and minus 23 degrees. So we'll keep our cultures here, some of the reagents. This is our orbital shaker, okay, where we grow the cultures. Then we also have another fridge with us. So just now I'm switching it off. We have a thermocentrifuge machine. Okay, let me switch it on. So this is a thermocentrifuge machine, and this machine has got a very important features, like we can do let me open it. So as you can see inside, so this is a 24 well, you can say, rotor. We also have other rotors for Falcon tubes, and as well as we is having the rotor for the 96 well plate. Then this is actually coming from the funding, that centrifuge machine, from the SERB, so that's what I was giving the thanks. Then this is our minus 40 degrees for the cultures. We do have a gradient PCR machine. This gradient PCR machine is from the Prime, as you can see here. I can open it. This is a 96 well, as you can see here. So this is the 96 well, and then you can all the features which is been present. So this is another benchtop centrifuge machine from the Rolex. Then we do have a BOD incubator with us, and if I show you, then we do have a rocker. Then we have a water bath. Then we have the laminar hood with us. And if we go to take another area here where we do the weighing balance, this is the weighing balance we have. We do also have the pH meter, which is just for routine purpose, it serves our purpose. Then we do have a microwave oven, UV transilluminator. Right now it is in a working condition. We have just shifted here to make it more dark area for visualization of the gel. Then we have the heating mantle, as you can see, with a magnetic stirrer. This is a vortex machine. We have a hot air oven. So this is a laminar hood, as you can see here. This laminar hood is having in working condition. So I just put the blower on, and as you can see here, it is all robotic. Robotic means like it is automated. It can just by switch can be regulated. And this is if you see, it is a case to B2 certified biosafety cabinet, and it attached with, you can say, the heater and the exhaust fan. So let me describe. So you have seen that we have the basic facilities which a lab required. We are working, as I said in the beginning, that our lab is a molecular microbiology lab. So we are working on the antimicrobial resistance for some of the human fungal pathogens. Like we are working on Candida, we are working on the Aspergillus, and we are also working on the Cryptococcus. Now, so far our lab has identified certain two very important antifungal drugs. Right now we also know its mechanism, but we are also trying to find out at a proteome level what kinds of changes which is occurring. So this work is going on. We have several publications. You can check it from the Google citations or even in the LinkedIn. Those information is given. So have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Thank you.